Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a television store's revenue is directly proportional to the number of televisions it sells. We're told the store earns $1,440 on a day in which it sells 6 televisions. We're asked how much revenue will the store earn on a day in which it sells 9 televisions. So if we're told we're earning $1,440 per 6 televisions, because we're told that they're directly proportional, we can multiply this rate by the amount that we're actually selling, which is 9. What happens is the television unit cancels out. We have 1440 times 9 divided by 6. Plug this into your calculator, right? But we have it now in terms of dollars. So it's 1440 times 9 divided by 6. This is your monetary amount. This is your revenue for selling 9 televisions. Plug this into your calculator. You get $2,160, which means B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.